After visiting Komodo dragons, our trip continued in search for a manta ray. Manta Point Komodo is a channel between two oceans, Indian and Southwest Pacific. This channel is well known for strong currents which bring a lot of nutrients and planktons, making it an alluring spot for attracting dozens of manta rays for feeding and cleaning. When we reached the place, we were ready to jump into the waters to swim with manta. Gentle Giant was curious enough to give us a few rounds, but once it felt being chased by one of the tourists, Manta decided to go away. We need to remember that it is still a wild animal that has a right to decide how it will interact with us. So better to stay still and just enjoy the presence of this magnificent animal, instead of chasing it down. We left Mantas and we were heading to one of the beautiful sand islands with corals for another snorkeling. We stayed in the shallow waters, encountering various fishes, stars and crabs. One particular type of the fish kept attacking us, well, actually trying to frighten us so we don't go any closer to her nest. As we finished snorkeling, we were tired and ready to go back to Labuan Bajo for a tasty dinner and well-deserved sleep. Next morning, we were off for our new adventure, but not before I experienced this strange fruit. Hello from Komodo Airport. We are almost leaving, but still I would like to show you and experiment this strange fruit that we found here, which is called a snake fruit. Why? Because its skin looks like the snake skin, and basically the locals showed me how to open it, and it opens almost like the snake skin. So it's a snake fruit, and let's see how it's going to be and what can we expect from this fruit actually. So as the local said, it looks like a garlic from the inside once you manage to clean and peel the fruit. Okay, it takes a little bit time and practice. I don't have practice, so this is so strange, such a strange feeling with arms. The smell is quite strong, I can say, but it doesn't smell bad. Okay, this is how it looks like so far. There are parts that are bad, so we are not going to eat that. Okay. Yeah, it looks like garlic. I hope it doesn't taste like a garlic because I don't need that for in the morning. Actually, I already tasted it, so this is one piece. There were 3 pieces inside, and here I need to clean it as well. Basically, when I open this part, oh, some blood because this skin is really rough. When I open it inside, there is also the seed, and this part from the inside we can eat. So let's try. Very good. It doesn't taste like a garlic. It's really good. So yeah, this is the dragon. This is not the dragon fruit. This is the snake fruit. Authentic fruit here from the Komodo Islands. Let me enjoy this fruit and we talk later. Safe travels and happy vacationing.